Welcome to our TeamGuru tutorial, how to use documents labels. You can now mark your standard related documents in the system with the same label. And this feature is applicable in our three modules, metric dashboards, quality alerts, and AD reports module. But over time, we would like to apply this feature to other modules as well. And since you are able to mark your documents with label, you will also be able to search these documents in the system quickly and easily by using our filter and choosing the labels option. And let's get started. New labels can be created by users with the sufficient role, and if you are that user with the role, to create the new label you have to go to the settings in the right upper corner and select labels. And here it's pretty easy. You will just have to create the new label by clicking this green plus button in the right upper corner. And now you can select your title. Let's say that I will choose site performance. And you can decide if you would like this label to be displayed in metric dashboards only, quality alerts, or AD reports. Or if you would like to show them in all three, you will just choose global and you will select your color. And once you are done, you just click Save and Return button. And here you can see your new label. And when we go back to our metric dashboards documents, you don't see this label here yet because we haven't added it to any document. And to add label to a document, you just have to select your document, click the Added Pencil button. And here you will see that you can add labels right here. When you click in, it will give you the options to choose from. And if you are the user with sufficient role, you will be also able to create new labels directly from here. So you don't need to go to our settings and labels to create it, but you can also create it from here. And let's say that I will choose my label and then I just click Save and View. And now when we go back to our documents list, now you will see your label displayed right here, and it is because we've just added it to a document. And here I would like to point out when you are searching documents using our filters, please don't forget when you are in the higher folder and you would like to see documents from all the subfolders, this box including subfolders needs to be checked. And to search by labels, you have to select the particular label. So I'll just click on my label. And now I will get the list of all the documents that they are marked with the same label. Here I would like to also mention that each document can have more than one label. And these labels are visible for everybody in the company, so they should be created as a standard labels. And to summarize before we finish this video tutorial, the main purpose of documents label is that you are able to mark related and standard documents in the system with the same label, and then you are able to easily search for them in the system. And this should be it. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.